A new set of allegations of serious misconduct and criminal behavior has been leveled against the sitting vice president, who is also up for another impeachment complaint from the House in February. Then again, charges of graft and corruption have been filed of late against her by good governance watchdog groups. And as our Harley Valbuena reports, the latest complaint against her by a former security staff officer is on criminal campaign finance violations.
Kung sino man ang makakapagbigay ng anumang ebidensya laban sa sino mang public servant at ito'y may patungkol sa anomalya, paglulustay, pagnanakaw ng pondo ng bayan, dapat lamang pong maimbestigahan. Siguraduhin lamang po na ito ay hindi pamumulitika. Kailangan managot ang dapat managot.
This is the statement of Malacanang after the submission before the Ombudsman of the affidavit of Ramil Madriaga, the former aide and alleged bagman of Vice President Sara Duterte. In a letter to Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Boying Remulla, Madriaga's legal counsel asked the anti-graft body to look into their client's notarized affidavit, which they say contain narration of facts. In a report, Madriaga revealed that drug dealers and pogo operators funded VP Sara's campaign in 2022. The palace meanwhile insisted that President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. was hands-off on VP Sara's transactions, even if they were running mates in the 2022 polls.
Wala pong personal na knowledge ang Pangulo patungkol sa anumang maaaring naging transaksyon ng Vice Presidente sa mga pogo operators or sa drug lords. Wala po siya masasabi patungkol po doon.
Malacanang also maintains that the President has no hand in any moves to unseat the Vice President. This is after House Deputy Minority Leader Leila De Lima said the plunder complaint filed in the Ombudsman against VP Sara can serve as basis for the filing of new impeachment complaint against her. But the palace remains firm that anyone who breaks the law should be brought to justice.
Sa ngayon, hindi po pa nagiging issue sa Pangulo ang impeachment laban po kay sa Vice Presidente. Pero ang Pangulo po kasi sinabi na noon pa, kung dapat managot, ay dapat panagutin. Wala dapat sinisino.
Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.